Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we got the toy DIY slime and now we are gonna open it. Yay! This big box is a soap case, guys. Now let's open it. Let's start with the soap case, guys. Ava, let's start with it. This is the very beautiful box. Ava, you see me how you have to open it. You open it like this, like this yellow thing. You close it and open it like this. Now let's open it halfway. Wait, Ava. And now let's get this out. Look! It's some unicorn toys and some sprinkles. Ava, look, there's some sprinkles. And some sprinkles inside. And something like sand. And this is stickers. And this is a nothing. And this is a stickers. Okay. Let's see what are these. Now we put this powder inside and we can make beautiful cupcakes, and the thing we can come is to put the unicorn on top of it. And we are going to make slime and we can mix. And I'm sure it's going to be beautiful and delicious. Guys, here we have 4 color soaps. One is pink, one is yellow, one is purple, and one is light blue. They smell really nice. Now let's put this powder in the bowl. Now we add some water and we mix it. Guys, now we are going to decorate our cupcakes. Look guys, our first cupcake is ready. It's so beautiful and delicious. Now let's make purple cupcake. Look at it, guys, my cupcake is ready. Guys, now let's decorate it. Now let's put the magic unicorn on the top. Guys, it looks like the unicorn is flying in the sky and falling into the cupcake. Guys, now we're gonna make the last pink color cupcake. It looks like the unicorn left her corn in the cupcake. Guys, this looks like a mermaid left her seashell. And this looks like a mermaid left her tail. And this looks like a unicorn fly. And see a cupcake can sit on it. And this looks like a unicorn left her corn on the cupcake. Guys, I really need to wash my hands now. And then we come back and continue with the other toys. We are not finished. We got more toys there. Let's wash our hands and see what toys we got. Now let's put stickers on this cupcake box. We can keep all the cupcakes inside, and you can take it somewhere with this handbag.